The average adult spends 7 hours and 4 minutes on screens daily. That's 49 hours per week, more than a full-time job. Reducing that by even 30% frees up 15 hours weekly for deep work, relationships, and rest. Step 1. Remove all optional technology from your life for 30 days. Social media, news apps, streaming services, games. Keep only tools essential for work and basic communication. This reset reveals which technologies you actually miss versus which were just habits. After 30 days, add back only technologies that serve a specific value you've identified. For each one, define operating procedures, when you'll use it, for how long, and what triggers you to stop. If you can't articulate the value, it doesn't come back. The reason most digital detoxes fail is they create a vacuum without filling it. Replace screen time with demanding hobbies, woodworking, cooking, sports, music. Your brain craves stimulation. Give it something richer than doom scrolling. Walkthrough of my phone setup. Only 12 apps on the home screen. Grayscale mode after 8 p.m., screen time limits, and a focus mode configurations that block distractions during work hours. Try the 30-day declutter starting this weekend. I guarantee you'll be shocked by how little you miss. Download my digital minimalism checklist from the description.